Welcome to the double crochet stitch. This is a fairly dense and stable stitch which has a good stretch in both directions. This stitch is called double crochet in English terms. Now let's take a close-up look at the stitches and how to count and identify them. In the red circle is one stitch, and in the green circle is a stitch from the row above. When noted in written patterns, it appears as DC, sometimes with a number in front of it, which lets you know how many of the stitch to complete. When noted in a charted pattern, the stitch will most likely be shown as either a cross or a plus sign, but check the pattern key to be sure. Now let's practice the stitch. Push your hook through a stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over and pull through the loops on the hook. Let's do that again. Push your hook through the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over and pull through the loops on the hook. When doing a normal double crochet stitch, make sure your hook goes under both parts of the stitch. At the end of your row, you would do a turning chain of 1 before you start your next row.